Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel Read with Rizwan. Today we will be resuming the topic of microorganism from the class 8 science. So let's get started. We will discuss today about the commercial use of microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for large scale production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruit juice, etc. You can try the above activity 2.3 and 2.4 at your homes. Conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in 1857. Medicinal use of microorganisms. When you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic tablets, capsules or injections such as penicillin. The source of these medicines is microorganisms. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the diseases causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics. These days, a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. In 1929, Alexander Fleming was working on a culture of disease causing bacteria. Suddenly, he found a spores of little green mold in one of his culture plates. He observed that the presence of mold prevented the growth of bacteria. In fact, it is also killed many of these bacteria. From this, the mold penicillin was prepared. The antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check microbial infection in animals. However, it is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. The next topic is vaccine. When a disease carrying microbe enters our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. The body also remembers how to fight the microbe if it enters again. If dead or weakened microbes are introduced into a healthy body, the body fights and kills the invading bacteria by producing suitable antibodies. The antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from a disease causing microbes forever. This is how a vaccine works. Several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox and hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination. Edward Jenner discovered the vaccine for smallpox in 1798. I think you remember in your childhood you must have been given injections to protect yourself against several diseases. It is essential to protect all children against these diseases. Necessary vaccines are available in the nearby hospitals. You might have been seen the advertisement on TV and newspaper regarding protection of child against polio under Pulse Polio program. Polio drops given to children are actually a vaccine. A worldwide campaign against smallpox has finally led to its eradication from most part of the world. These days, vaccines are made on a large scale from microorganisms to protect humans and other animals from several diseases. How microorganisms can help the increasing soil fertility? That is the next topic. Some bacteria are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. Cleaning the environment. You often see a large amount of dead organic matter in the form of decaying plants and sometimes dead animals on the ground. You find that they disappear after some time. This is because microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals, converting them into simple substance. These substances are again used by other plants and animals. Thus, microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and thereby clean up the environment. Next topic is harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms are harmful in many ways, some of them causing disease in human beings, plants and animals. Such disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Some microorganisms spoil food, clothing and leather. Let us study more about their harmful activities. Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe or the water we drink or the food we eat. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried by an animal. Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Example of such diseases include cholera, common cold, chickenpox and tuberculosis. When a person suffering from common cold sneezes, fine droplets of moisture carrying thousands of viruses are spread in the air. The virus may enter the body of a healthy person while breathing and cause injection. Then how do you prevent the spread of communicable diseases? The answer is simple. We should keep a handkerchief on the nose and mouth while sneezing. It is better to keep a distance from infected person. That's it from the video. We will be continuing this topic in the next video. Thanks for watching.